I am shit. I've not filmed anything off. I just burped 7 seconds into a video. Good job, Lucy. It's Friday. I've not filmed anything today. I've been so shit. I took the girls to school this morning, and then me and Foxy came home, and we've just been playing all day. Like, I had a really long conversation with my friend Catherine, who is a YouTube friendy. We had like a couple of hours FaceTime, which was lovely. And then I picked the girls up, and then my friend Lizzie came round with her little girl, and we had a big catch up, and I made the kids dinner. Foxy's now just gone to bed. And I've just had a message off a guy I was friends with. We were like best friends at college, like we were just so close. And we stopped talking, and I didn't understand why. And he's just showed me my ex-boyfriend emailed him from my account. Like, this was a guy who was abusive and just horrendous. And yeah, so it's one of the things, because we were so close, I always wondered why we stopped talking. Turns out he'd been told he wasn't allowed to talk to me, and that I didn't want to talk to him. So it's really nice. We're just having a catch up on a chat, which is lovely. We're going to do a tarot draw for today. These Primark headphones are awesome. They're really good. Really recommend. I wanted some of the Apple ones, but they're like £270. And who's got £270 to spend on something that I am inevitably going to drop out of my ear and lose? And these are 15. So, oh, snotty Fox keeps kissing me, and he's got a cold, and now he's giving me the snots. These cards, right, that's the card we're having, because it's just fell. It didn't want to go into the pack. So today I am inspirational. Look how far I've come. I feel like that is very fitting. Yeah, that is a nice one. I feel that is very, very fitting for me in my current era of life. My Q&A video has just gone live, and everyone's been really lovely, which is nice. I've had some really lovely comments. Some lady, I just sent this to my friend with the caption of "not everyone is a cunt," because I did it with no makeup or anything. She said, "You're beautiful. It's actually really nice to see a real person on YouTube doing it for all of us mums." And I said, "Thank you so much. That's really lovely to say." And she said, "It's true. You're a blessing to some people out there, and you've shown people it's okay. Sending you lots of love." Like, how nice is that? Like, this is why I fucking love YouTube. Obviously, I will get some fucking dickheads that will comment that I'm ugly and fat and disgusting, and I should wear makeup, and I should whatever. And I just don't care about those ones. I delete them. I block. Oh, I'm so itchy and snotty. I just feel like my whole nose is full of itchy snots. Snotty itches. I think that having that in my ear is not helping. It's making me feel like I'm wonky. Oh, I need to have some dinner. I haven't had any dinner. I had a bit of toast. But I don't want to get told off for just eating toast. So, yeah. I will have something proper to eat in a little while. I'm taking the kids to Ben's mum's tomorrow, because that's where Ben is living. I'm getting them there for 12, and then I need to be back in Norwich for 1:15, because I'm having my eyelashes lifted and taunted, and my nails done. Yeah, and that is the extent of my weekend plans, I think. I might see if someone wants to go out tomorrow night. If anyone's in Norwich and wants to go out, this isn't going to be up in time. It's not going to work, is it? Because this doesn't go up until tomorrow night when I want to be out. Yeah. I'm going to go and play a game with the girls. My mum got the kids, I don't know where it's gone there, she got them exploding kittens from the charity shop. Oh, we tried to play it last night. Fuck me, that's complicated as shit. And like, the cards are really little with really little writing on it, and Ari couldn't read them properly, and I was like struggling because it was a little bit dark, and Christ on a bike, that is difficult. So we played Avoid You Know Who instead, which is always a fun one, and I lost because I always fucking lose at that game. girls are so good at it and I'm just shit. Yeah, so that's it for today, just a little one, but I will take you with me to get my lashes done tomorrow. I don't think Kim will mind if I film. And then if I end up going out, I shall take you out on the Raz with me and we can go get pished.